Okay, the third question, we have given a Cartesian plan with four different linear graphs like our first question. Like our first question, we drawn four different straight line graphs on a Cartesian plan. Like this question, we have given a Cartesian plan and the intersecting points of each and every straight lines named as PQRS and a set of coordinates given. So the question is, they ask find the coordinates of PQRS on the given pairs. Okay, let's take the point P first. The points are given PQRS. So in the alphabetical order, we'll take the P. So if you observe the graph Cartesian plan given, the point P is formed by intersecting two linear graphs. So which are those? y equal minus x plus 2, comma y equal minus 3x plus 6. Those are the straight lines intersecting at point P. So using this equation, we can analyze what will be the coordinates of P. Otherwise, if you take the second question, what we have, some coordinates are given and they asked to find which one is the correct one. So in here, they didn't give particular coordinates for each and every pairs. Just they gave a set of coordinates and they asked to select. So it is difficult, or it will take some time or more time to find the coordinates of P, like the second question, if you do it like the second question. So we are going to use another method. We are going to use the knowledge what we studied about linear graphs and the Cartesian plan. Okay, so I'll recall one of the basic point about Cartesian plan. So if a Cartesian plan is given, we named like this. We have four portions in each and every Cartesian plans. Okay, 3 and 4. So we discussed on the first question. I'll recall it. So in the area of 1, named as 1, both the coordinates are positive. In the area of 2, the x coordinates are positive, y coordinates are negative. So that is the very basic thing we need to know about the Cartesian plan. On third area, we all know the x coordinates are negative but the y coordinates are positive. On the fourth, both x and y are negative. Using this knowledge, we can get close to the answer. If you check the point P, it is on the area 1, because the point P lies on x-axis like this. So it belongs to the area numbered by 1. Okay, so what will be the coordinates of P? So in the Cartesian plan நாங்க பிரிச்சா எப்படி கோஆர்டினேட்ஸ் வருது? இங்க ரெண்டுமே பிளஸ், இங்க x பிளஸ், இங்க மைனஸ். ஸோ இது எங்களுக்கு தெரியும். இதை வச்சுக்கொண்டு நாங்கள் அனலைஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். பாயிண்ட் பி இந்த 4 ஏரியாவில் எங்கே இருக்கு, அப்படின்னு நாங்கள் பார்த்தா பாயிண்ட் பி இருக்கிறது ஃபஸ்ட் ஏரியாவில். ஃபஸ்ட் ஏரியான்னு சொல்கிறது ரெண்டு கோஆர்டினேட்ஸும் வந்து பாசிட்டிவ். இப்போ உங்களுக்கு தந்திருக்கிற அந்த செட் ஆஃப் கோஆர்டினேட்ஸ் இருக்குதா இல்லையா, அதில் ரெண்டுமே பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்கிற கோஆர்டினேட் ஒன்று இருக்குதான்னு செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். ரெண்டுமே பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்குதா அப்படின்னு கொஞ்சம் செக் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஓ எஸ், we have two set of coordinates. One is half, 4 and half. This set, both the coordinates are positive. The other one is 2, 0. So the rest of the coordinates given are different. So we can that's why I said, so if you have this knowledge, if you use this knowledge, you can close to the answer. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 coordinates. Out of 7 we pick 2. So confirm out of these 2, one of the coordinate will satisfy point P. Okay, so now we use the knowledge what we done in the question 2. So we'll substitute the coordinates. So in question 2 we substitute LHS and RHS. We check the LHS and RHS by substituting the values. So we have 2 coordinates, so we substitute the coordinates now. So if you which one is the easiest one? 2, 0. And 2, 0 which gives another point. So if we go to the first question of the review exercise, they asked to do write the coordinates of the linear graphs which are intersecting on the main axes. So if you check the coordinates on your answers, the which will intersect on x-axis, the y coordinate is always 0. Y coordinate is always 0. If you check all the answers for this 4, the intersection point of x-axis, the x coordinate, you have a numerical value, but all the y coordinates are 0. So with this knowledge you can go for the answer, because point P it lies on x-axis. So it is very simple, you can get the answer 2, 0. So we'll recheck it. If you substitute 2, 0, if you substitute 2, 0 here, if you substitute 2 for x, so y equal minus 2 plus 2, answer is 0, which is satisfying the coordinates. So if you substitute here, y equal minus 3 into 2 plus 6, minus 6 plus 6, which is also 0. So you don't want to substitute here, so you can use this knowledge. Point P lies on x-axis. If a point lies on x-axis, the y coordinate is always 0. So point P, the suitable value is 2, 0. What we discuss here, those are the reasons. So if you check the question, they asked to write the coordinates of PQRS and give reason with the reason. So what is the reason we selecting 2, 0? The first point is the coordinates of x and y are positive. The second is the P lies on x-axis, the y coordinate is always 0. So that's why we pick 2, 0. We checked with substituting the values also. So the substitution is also a reason for selecting this answer. Okay, the second point, we have the second point Q. So like this we are going to discuss some of the points. Okay, Q, if you observe the point Q, the point Q is created by intersecting y equal minus 3x plus 6 comma y equal x plus 4. So these are the straight lines which are intersecting at point Q. Okay, so where is the point Q is situated? Under this 4. Where is the Q is situated? Q is also is in the position the area of 1. So Q is like here. So the area of 1, the coordinates are positive. Both the coordinates are positive. If we check the coordinates, we have only 2 pairs which are positive. One of the pair is done. We take. So the rest is half and 4.5. So the coordinates of Q is half, comma 4.5. So that is the reason, because the position of Q, which is the coordinates are always positive. Only 2 answers we have altogether. Before I take one of the coordinates, so 1 is remaining. So that is the answer. So if you want to recheck it, substitute y equal x plus 4. If you substitute half, so 4 plus half, the result is 4.5. So the y coordinates is 4.5, which is satisfying these 2 coordinates. Okay, y equal minus 3x plus 6. So minus 3 into half plus 6. So minus 3, the LCM is 2. So minus 3 plus 12. So 9 over 2. 9 over 2 means 4.5. Both the equations satisfy half and 4.5. So the point Q is going to be half and 4.5. So we have 2 reasons here. Both coordinates are positive because the position of Q is on the positive. The second one we can check with the substitution. Okay, third one. So out of 7, we clear 2 coordinates. We have only 5. So third one, point R. So whereas the point R is situated, so R is situated on the area we named is 3. R is on the area of 3. So 3 means x coordinate is minus, negative, y coordinate is positive. The second part, which are the equations? Y equal x plus 4, comma y equal minus x plus 2. Which are the straight lines intersecting at R? Okay, so check the remaining 5 coordinates. Which coordinates are negative and positive? So if you check negative and positive, you have 2 coordinates there. Minus 3 comma 5 and minus 1 comma 3. Those are the negative and positive. There is another one. Minus 5 over 2 comma 3 over 2. So there are 3 out of 5. The remainings are 5 out of 5. We have 3 coordinates with minus and plus. Okay, the first point, the reason why we are selecting this, because the position of R, the coordinates are negative and positive. The second part, we have to substitute. If both the equation satisfy which coordinate, that is the coordinate of R. So the easiest one, we start with the easiest one. Easiest one is minus 1 comma 3. Okay, so that is a common knowledge. Minus 3, 5 over 2, those are fractions. The easiest one is minus 1, 3. So we'll start with the minus 1 comma 3. So if you substitute minus 1 plus 4, the answer is 3. So the y coordinate is 3. So which is satisfying minus 1 comma 3. So y equal minus 1 plus 2. So plus 1 plus 2. So the answer is 3. Both the equations are satisfying. Minus 1 3. So the r is minus 1 3. So r, the coordinate of r is minus 1 comma 3. So why we are ignoring the other two? So if the answer, one of the answer is satisfying, so we can ignore the other the remainings. So the last one, point S. So point S, which is the area the point S situated. The point S is on here, on the second area. So the coordinates are plus minus. X is plus, y is negative. So if you check the positive negative, x is positive, y is negative. So only you have one answer. 2 into 104 comma minus 3 into 4. So that is the only answer given here, which is x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So no other question. So the S 2 into 104 comma minus 304. So if you want to check, substitute it, it will satisfy the equations both.